In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 10-minute speed cleaning method with you. To be honest, I cringe at the word speed because when it comes to cleaning, you're much more efficient if you work at a steady pace. You can also clean for longer periods of time and make less mistakes. To do this 10-minute speed cleaning method, make sure that you have all of your cleaning tools handy. So you'll need a vacuum, a mop, a bucket, some rags, all-purpose cleaner in a bottle, and you can have some hydrogen peroxide dish soap to fill the bucket to mop, and a feather duster. So if you got 10 minutes to clean today, stay tuned to watch. I will show you my steady-paced cleaning method. Put things away. If you're a pro house cleaner and you're going into a client's house, usually the client will already tackle this task for you so that you can just go in and start cleaning. But if it's your own home and you need to do this step, this is what I would recommend as the first thing you do before you start cleaning a room. So my kids' toys are all over here. So I have two baskets in the living room. One is for large toys and the other one is for small toys. And if they're a set of toys, then I'll have them in separate places and compartments. So first I would recommend looking up at the ceiling and making sure there's no cobwebs in the corners or the ceiling fan, it might have collected some dust. Look up first so that when you're dusting, it doesn't come down on all of the other surfaces that you have already cleaned. Even the baseboards here so that everything goes to the floor. The second step is wipe. Take your rag with your all-purpose cleaner and start wiping the surfaces. First, fold your rag, spray your all-purpose cleaner, wipe the surface, use the other side of the rag and buff it dry. This keeps everything looking shiny, it keeps it smooth and dust-free. Vacuum. Start by vacuuming your couch. Lift all the couch cushions. You might find some snacks in there. vacuum the couch, all the sides, lift the cushions, put them back, and this will create some dust in the air that will then settle to the ground. After you vacuum really well, you're ready to mop. Grab your bucket, fill it about halfway with water. Add about 1/3 cup of hydrogen peroxide and 2 drops of dish soap. You don't need much dish soap. Actually, the less, the better. The more dish soap you have, it'll be sticky and then you'll have to clean it up again. But just a little bit goes a long way, and this creates the perfect solution to clean your floors. Start by mopping the furthest point in the room and mop your way out, and then leave the room for it to dry. If you step over the wet surface, it could make it dirty or leave marks again, so try and avoid it until it's all dry. After I do this in each room, I feel like I got a reset, and it helps me calm my mind and focus on the next step, whatever that is. You can tackle each room at a time. Of course, it's different. I'm talking about a living room in this case, or a bedroom. But if we are going into the kitchen or the bathroom, I will create other videos for those. So stay tuned to watch. Try out this 10-minute steady paced cleaning for yourself, and let me know in the comments down below if you found it useful. I hope you did, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, be sure to tap the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.